Man, has it ever been a weird couple of weeks? More like a couple of months. Hi, it's Bill, and thanks for hopping into Creative License. I appreciate it. I appreciate how nice you've all been to my sponsors as well. Sponsors like Electro Voice, the greatest speaker and microphone company in the world, DJ Event Planner, Promo Only, DJ NTV, and the Entertainment Experience, which is the workshop that I do twice a year, and probably coming up something online virtually. So keep tabs on the Entertainment Experience Facebook page, and I'll keep you abreast of that. So yeah, man. I mean, we're going through it, aren't we? The year of the COVID, the year of the coronavirus, the year that most of us were terrified every single day about going out of business because what the heck, man? What happened? What happened? I don't know what to tell you, except to say that things are going to get better. I don't know. I mean, sadly, it looks like the event business is going to be the last of us to get better. I wish that were not true, but regardless of how many times we hear that we can all go back to work or we can begin our lives again, when it comes to the event business, they're going to let us trickle in, at 10 people at a time, 20 people at a time, 50, 100, maybe. Then we'll probably have a slide back because there'll be one or two events where somebody got sick and they're going to blame it on the fact we brought too many people together. So right now, the only thing we can do is kind of get through what we're going through right now. And what you're going through right now is probably the same thing I'm going through. Grief. We are grieving the death of our careers, of our businesses, of the way that we did things for so long. We're going through all the stages of grief. And many of us haven't gone through that before. And those of us who have, this probably might be the first time that you started to notice that those feelings that you went through when you lost your grandmother or when someone died in your life are the same feelings that are coming up now. And the only way to get to the other side of grief is to go through it. So you need to go through this feeling that you're having. You need to feel all these feelings, the anger, the sadness, the bargaining, all the things you're going through, you need to go through. Because the one thing I do know about grief is there's no way around it. The only way you can get to the other side of it is to go through it. And you can't do much about your business that you're grieving until you get to the other side of it. Now, easy for you to say, Bill? Yeah, I know, because I'm still going through it, okay? I, like you, had all of my work drop overnight. All of my clients postponed or canceled. Some of them wanted their money back. Most of them wanted their money back if they were canceling. So any money that I had out there already to help me get through was gone. Okay, if you didn't put together a money to be able to get you through an emergency, it's even scarier for you. But I did, and then because of this extraordinary circumstance of COVID and coronavirus, there were some family members that had to be taken on with me. So the money that I had for my wife and my family now is also being used for them and their family. So are we ready for this? No, nobody's ready for this. Even if everything was going to be the same when it was all done, you're not going to be ready for this. It's the way it works. Let me try to fix this as I'm going. Am I in the way? Is that how this works? So no, you're not ready for it. And no, I can't tell you that you're going to be able to get through it. I do know that you can't get through it before you get through this. So you have to do it. If you haven't found somebody to help you with it, reach out to some people. If you haven't considered grief counseling, I would really consider it. Okay? Or get a book or two and read about what that is and what you're going through. Because you need to feel the feelings that are happening to you so that you can get past them. And then you're going to have to rebuild. And rebuilding is not going to look like the way you rebuilt it before. But I'll tell you one thing that'll make you feel better. Here's what you did do. You built your business. So you can build it again. I know you don't want to. I know you don't want to go through it again. I didn't want to go through it again. I'm not going to want to go through it again. But not wanting to do it doesn't make it that you won't have to. So keep doing what you're doing. Keep working towards things. Keep coming up with ideas and creating possibilities. But the one thing you have to do before you can even tackle the rest of it is you need to go through the grief. You agree? You don't agree? Tell me what you think in the bottom of everything here. I'd love to know what you think as well. Until next time, and I will see you next week. This is Bill, Creative License. Bye.